Greetings from the NorthOps mobile studios in Redding, California, and welcome to Saturday's edition of your Fire Weather Webcast. We apologize for our recent delays as we are experiencing significant challenges with our recording software. We hope to get this rectified as soon as possible. A weak cold front is moving west to east across northern portions of the state this morning. Shown here is radar imagery depicting the rainfall areas. Generally, about a tenth to 20 hundredths of an inch of rain has been observed along the coast and coastal mountains, with heavier pockets across the northwest third. Lighter amounts are reaching the interior areas. All rain should end by early this afternoon. Water vapor imagery this morning shows the upper low, which brought showers to the region this morning, rapidly moving eastward into Nevada, a ridge of high pressure just off the coast, and a large low-pressure system over the northeast Pacific, which may bring more rain to California toward the middle of next week. Reviewing this morning's visible imagery shows post-frontal clouds still moving southwest to northeast across the North State. Elsewhere, only some marine stratus along the coast and virtually cloudless skies south of Sacramento. Reviewing the upper level pattern to get a sense of the major features that will drive the upcoming weather, and starting with this morning, shows the upper trough swinging across Northern California, while upper ridging is seen building just off the California coast. Looping toward the middle of next week shows the next trough starting to dig toward the coast. This is right around Monday and Tuesday of next week. This feature may spread a little bit more rain farther inland compared to this morning's rain. Looking at overall total precipitation between today and including the middle of next week's anticipated rain, shows fairly healthy amounts reaching the areas west of I-5, while interior areas along I-5 and to the east also showing some rain amounts of a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Areas across far eastern California and south of Sacramento showing very little rain expected. Light winds across most areas today, except for a few localized areas of breezy south and southwest winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour. Those will mainly be found along the Sierra, Shasta Valley, and across northeast California this afternoon. The light wind pattern continues on Sunday, but a change in direction occurs as a more northerly trend is seen. North, northwest, and west light winds can be expected, with some gusty areas ranging from 10 to 20 miles per hour at most. One particular period of wind concern is shaping up for next Friday. A period of gusty north to northeast winds may occur on the backside of the midweek trough as high pressure ridging rapidly develops. Shown here are some breezy to gusty north to northeast winds late Friday morning, ranging from 20 to 30 miles per hour, favoring the lower Sierra, Sac Valley, Bay Area, and the coastal range. Relative humidity remains fairly high across most areas through Sunday due to the recent rain and cooler temperatures, but by Monday, shown here, surface conditions begin to dry out. Min-RHs look to fall back to near normal levels of 20 to 30% across most interior areas. Reviewing today's NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential table, we can see a lot of green. Little to no risk boxes have been added to the chart due to the recent rain, cooler temperatures, and much higher RH. By Tuesday, some drying of RH is expected, so a return of some yellow boxes is shown, but uncertainty with regard to the potential rain on Wednesday will keep little to no risk yellow boxes in for now. Summarizing today's fire weather webcast highlights, a low pressure trough and associated front will continue to trek eastward into Nevada today. Some residual light showers may persist through the afternoon. Cooler temperatures and fairly high RH is expected to continue into tonight and Sunday, with subtle drying of RH on Monday, along with gradual increase of afternoon temperatures. Wind patterns look fairly light over the next few days, with mainly north, northwest, or west winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour, but some localized areas of gusts to 20 to 25 miles per hour are possible. Tuesday looks to be the warmest and driest day of the week before another Pacific trough arrives late Tuesday. This feature may bring more rain to the region on Wednesday, but uncertainty remains high with regard to how much rain or where it will follow. Forecast models are struggling with the track of the low on Wednesday into Thursday. Some indications are that it may be an inside slider type track, which could result in gusty to strong north and northeast winds on Friday. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.